So, you type something into ChatGPT, maybe a serious question like how does gravity work? Or something deeply philosophical like can I microwave a fork if I believe in myself? And just like that, answer delivered. Faster than your last texting regret. But now you're thinking, wait a minute. What is this thing? How does it know everything? Is it reading my thoughts? Should I apologize for yelling at my printer last week? Let's clear things up. ChatGPT is not a person. It has no job, no Netflix account, and zero opinions about pineapple on pizza. It doesn't get hungry or tired, and it definitely doesn't scroll Instagram at 2 a.m. asking, what am I doing with my life? It's a language model, which is a fancy way of saying giant autocomplete with way too much free time. Here's how it works. Imagine you trained a super nerdy robot by feeding it a giant chunk of everything humans have ever written. Books, blogs, Reddit fights, Shakespeare quotes, you name it. Yes, even the terms and conditions you never read. Then you say, hey, based on all that, guess what I want to hear next? And it does. Really well. That's it. That's the whole magic trick. No brain, no soul, just math and patterns. It doesn't know facts. It just predicts what's most likely to come next, based on everything it's seen before. So when you ask, why do cats scream at 3 a.m.? It doesn't Google it. It assembles a response from the ghost of every cat-related sentence it's ever processed. It's kind of like if Wikipedia and a magic 8-ball had a baby, and that baby ate a library. Now, is it smart? Well, depends on your definition of smart. It can write an essay, summarize a novel, and explain black holes. But it also might tell you that Einstein invented the microwave. So, let's call it selectively brilliant. It's not thinking, it's not feeling, it's just really good at sounding like it does. Like that guy at the party who drops random facts and you're like, whoa, he's deep. But really, he just binge-watched a documentary 30 minutes before showing up. Now let's talk about the part nobody wants to admit. Does ChatGPT know more than you? Oh yeah. It's been trained on way more than you'll ever read. It writes faster and never blanks during tests. But here's the thing. Knowing things doesn't make you wise. ChatGPT doesn't know how it feels to be dumped via text, or how to politely leave a Zoom call with 17 co-workers still talking. It can explain grief, but it's never cried into a pillow while eating cereal. It can write a love letter, but it's never actually fallen in love. Unless you count that one weird time it wrote a poem about cheese. So yes, it knows more, but it doesn't understand more. It's the ultimate know-it-all with no feelings. Basically, it's like a calculator. If the calculator also told dad jokes. So should you be scared? Only if you're a multiple choice test. Otherwise, nah. ChatGPT is a tool. A very cool, sometimes weird, occasionally terrifying tool. But you're the one with curiosity, creativity, and the ability to tell when someone's being sarcastic. Which ChatGPT is still working on, by the way. So the next time it gives you an answer that makes you say, whoa, that's actually pretty good, just smile, then nod and say, thanks, you brilliant, beautiful, mildly creepy brain sponge. And maybe, just maybe, don't ask it if it's conscious. That's how sci-fi movies start.